Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find information about the Scribd and the Everand application. So, first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the lower bar at the home screen, go to the last icon, the account, and here you can find the learn more about Everand and Scribd option. Click that. And in this side you can find the help center, and you can find different information about the app and about the Scribd. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.